unboxing the Oswald Ocher rabbit family and their baby with the train. So I'll open the family first. So there is a little catalogue. And here are the bunnies. So I'll get them out. So this is the father. His name is Benjamin. He's wearing some lovely blue and white dungarees with red buttons on. This is the mother, and her name is Sienna. And she's got a lovely flowery dress. I love the colour of these rabbits because they're kind of a yellowy brown, which is really nice. And this is Amber, who is the daughter, and she's wearing a flowery dress too, and it's kind of similar to her mother's. So now I'm going to get the baby out. Uh-oh. Luckily I caught her. Right, so this is baby. Her name is Tuscany and comes with a little blue train. It's so cute. She's wearing a little green dress. And it's so cute. And there's also a catalogue, the same as the one that came with the family. I'll show you them all together. They're really cute. I just love the colour of them and they're just so cute. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.